administration. The satellites outside of Earth will stop climate change from happening. Many natural disasters have been happening across Earth. Satellites will stop this situation. Don't take any action now. Stay tuned to more of this situation.
Civil danger warning. The following message was transmitted by the request of the U.S. government, the National Weather Service, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The satellites have malfunctioned and can't continue the operation. It is unknown how this happened. Disasters are occurring across the planet. Do not panic. Stay tuned to more of this situation.
Hey, I'm Hilary Duff, and you're watching Team Nick.
Civil danger warning for Orlando. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. There is a severe lightning storm that is damaging vehicles and buildings. It was found that these local storms were from the malfunction of the satellites. Seal cracks, turn off heating fins, close all doors and windows, stop all fireplaces, and seek shelter now. Stay tuned to more on this situation.
We are sorry for the break in this program. Please pay attention to the following emergency warning. We are sorry for the break in this program. Please pay attention to the following emergency warning. We are sorry for the break in this program. Please pay attention to the following emergency warning. Emergency warning. Apatakal check Pavani. Tornado warning. To Plumcap check Pavani. Massive tornadoes have been in Mumbai. This is a dangerous situation that needs to be taken seriously. Seek shelter now from these multiple massive tornadoes. Seek shelter above ground or in a basement. There will be no way vehicles will survive this. Be safe and pack your necessary things.
Аварийный отчет. Угроза гражданской опасности. 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 Это гигантский горячий лазерный луч, который может сделать ничего в этом виде. Этот лазер может держать до 500 градусов. Уберите область сейчас, или вы можете убиться. И ученые найдены, что причина этих шторм в мире может быть из неисправностей спутников. Но неизвестно прямо сейчас. Оставайтесь в курсе этой ситуации.
تحذير من كارثة تسونامي في دبي. هناك تسونامي حوالي 3200 قدم متجهين إلى ساحل دبي بسرعة 90 ميلا في الساعة. سوف يؤثر في 35 دقيقة. إخلاء أو البحث عن أرض مرتفعة أو تموت. حدود السرعة هي الآن 120 ميلا في الساعة حتى تتمكن من الهرب. اخلأ الآن، اخلأ الآن، اخلأ الآن، أو البحث عن الأرض العليا.
Tsunami warning for Dubai. There is a tsunami that is about 3,200 feet heading for the coast of Dubai at 90 miles per hour. It will impact in 35 minutes. Evacuate or seek higher ground or you will die. Speed limits are now 120 miles per hour so you can escape. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Or seek higher ground.